Now, well, it's time to take you to the weather, and the person who's going to have the latest update for us is Laura. Hello.
No, it's not great news, I'm afraid. Yes, as everyone's been saying, the remnants of ex-Hurricane Katia are heading our way. The pressure chart shows very nicely behind me the low pressure. It's been zipping in from the Atlantic. The closer it gets, the windier it gets. The white lines are isobars closely packed together, showing it is very windy outside. The Met Office have got an amber warning for the strength of the winds, gales or severe gales at the moment, particularly affecting northern areas of England, southern Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland. But wherever you are today, it is going to be a windy day. Gusty winds we've been seeing across the northwest of Wales, ferry disruptions across the Irish Sea, a blustery afternoon through southwest England, gusts of winds here to 40, maybe 45 miles an hour around some exposed coasts. For much of England and Wales, weather-wise, it's a story of sunny spells and some scattered showers, moving through pretty smartly on the breeze. Temperatures 22 degrees, pretty humid in the south, but also feeling much cooler thanks to the wind. To the lee of high ground, particularly for northeast England, watch out for some very strong gusts later. And for Scotland, not just windy, wet as well. Very heavy rain for western Scotland could lead to some localised flooding. For Northern Ireland, it's particularly for northern areas where we're going to see those strong winds. But the focus for the strong winds through the next few hours, particularly into the evening rush hour. For northern areas of Northern Ireland, central southern Scotland, the northeast of England, 70-mile-an-hour gusts very easily, maybe even up to 80-mile-an-hour gusts across exposed hills and coasts. Tonight, it still stays very windy, still more rain piling in across western Scotland. So, no surprises, it is going to be a mild night, 10 to 13 degrees our low. Now for Tuesday, it is still going to be windy. Not as windy as today's weather, but still the focus for western Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland and into northern England. Further heavy rain for western Scotland, again the risk of localised flooding after today's rain. Further south, heavy, maybe thundery showers, moving through pretty smartly on the breeze. Thankfully, by Wednesday, this low pressure moves away. The isobars start to open out, which means by Wednesday, after a windy start initially, those winds will ease pretty significantly. Patchy rain for northern England and for Northern Ireland. But for today, yes, it is worth bearing in mind there's likely to be some disruption to high-sided vehicles, to bridges and to ferries as well. So obviously local radio stations and local websites will have all the information. And the BBC Weather website has all the latest on the warnings as well, Kate.
Super, thank you very much. Thank you.